Welcome to Quantm tutorial on loading and reviewing results. Now in this tutorial you will become familiar with the Quantm tools that you can use to view and analyze the optimized alignments. My name is Bill Lazarus. Now to begin, let's load a scenario, and we can do this by clicking onto the Quantm demo icon, which loads the software. By default, it opens up the existing project dataset. Let's expand the example M group. We can right-hand mouse click on Scenario Standard Road 01 and select Load Scenario. This loads the scenario, and if we select Scenario Notes, we have a couple of results here. A result for Standard Road 01_U_1 and Standard Road 01_T_1. Now to select or load an optimized set of results, we right hand mouse click and then left hand mouse click Review Results, and this will load the 25 optimized results for this particular scenario. Now we'll spend a little bit of time going through this alignment review window. You can see you can either turn on what alignments you want to load or select them all. They're all selected. The name of the alignment, the length of the alignment, and the cost of each individual alignment. Now you can see here on the right hand side you've got a color band. So you've got blue, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alignments. The top 5 alignments have a color dark blue, navy blue, followed by the next 5 light blue, green, the tanny color, and red being the most expensive. Now if we select the View button, this will automatically load all those alignments in the current plan view. It also loads a profile view of the Standard Road 01_U_1_01 alignment. Now as I move my cursor along the screen, you will see a link bar moving along that loaded alignment. Now it's pretty hard to see that alignment. We can easily change the settings of our display and just display a single alignment. Now to display just a single alignment, we go to the top of our toolbar, this particular icon, selected alignment, and by left hand mouse clicking, there we have a single alignment loaded. Now you'll also notice that our toolbars have changed. We've had addition now of our alignment review toolbars, and as I select this arrow with my left hand mouse button, I can click through subsequent alignments, displaying both plan and profile. And again, you can see the alignments in that viewfinder window being displayed just on the DTM and the alignment, with all the other features turned off, and the other features being geometric zones, geological zones, existing rivers and roads, etc. So we'll go back to the top here and we'll keep scrolling through our alignments. Now we can also display a summary window for each of the individual alignments that are being displayed on the screen. To display the summary window, we can select one of our icons here, Alignment Summary, left hand mouse click. It loads the summary window for the loaded alignment. So alignment number 15 there being displayed is the same alignment here in profile, alignment 15. And as I scroll through, you'll see the summaries are being updated for the subsequent alignments being displayed. Now we can go back to all the way back to our lowest cost alignment. Alignment 11, 12, alignment number 6, number 8, 7, 5, 24. Alignment 1 was our lowest cost alignment. To display the cross section for the alignments, there's an icon here, cross section, and by left hand mouse clicking opens up another window which is our cross sectional view. Now we can increase the factor here so we can have a larger display of the cross sections, and as you can see, as I move my alignment along the plan view, not only does it move in profile, but it also moves along in the cross section view. In the cross section view, it displays the land height, the height of the alignment, Z minus land, the direction, the bearing, the gradient at that particular point, the horizontal radius, and the vertical curve of the alignment. This is all dynamically linked. When you cross a feature, as I've just, let's see if I can find one there. So it's crossing that Hawthorne Highway, it's in fill, and it's 4 meters above that existing road. Now we can change the color palette of the background for our cross section by selecting that pull down arrow, different colors, and let's pick yellow. And there it is, just updated the background color. We can turn the grid on or off, we can turn the text on or off, we can turn the legend on, text, we can change how the text is being displayed, I'll cancel that, the grid, we'll cancel that, and we can also display different alignments once again. Or go back to the original display of all the alignments. Now I can zoom in, not only in plan but also in profile. So I'll select this zoom in button, drag and drop an icon or a square, and you'll see here as I move my cross section, it updates it, displaying a bridge over that upper Wattle River. Now another way of displaying the alignments is by, if I turn my cross section view off, my alignment summary table off, there's an icon here which says end review. Let's end the review. Let's close the loaded scenario and go back to our project view. So this is our project view. I can expand the scenario in the project view, and here I have jobs and results. So if I expand jobs and results, I have 2 result files. One for an unseeded optimization and one for a refinement. that's where we refine a selected alignment. So if I load the unseated, I can right hand mouse click and load straight from our project view. Select view, and it takes us to our loaded alignments. Now, by grouping the alignments using a color band, you can start to see trends of where low cost corridors are. Now in this case here, having the navy blue being the lowest cost alignments, we can see that the low cost corridor is located in this general section here. Now what we can do is we can actually go to our alignment view and we can display just those 5 alignments. We can do that by holding our shift key down and selecting those alignments, and then selecting selected alignments toolbar, and there your loaded 5 alignments. We can also, if I minimize my plan view and expand my profile view, I can actually display the 5 selected alignments in profile. So this is where a dual monitor works very well. We can move your profile view onto the other screen and have one screen with all your plan view. Now we can end that by just selecting End Review. Now if we load those alignments again, right hand mouse click, Review Results, and this time rather than loading all 25 of them, we'll turn them all off and we'll select alignment number 1, alignment number 5, alignment number 12, 10 and 22, and select View. It loads those 5 selected alignments. We can look at this alignment summary for each one of those alignments. We'll scroll through. Summary for alignment number 5. Now if I click onto these blue hyperlinks, we'll open up a notepad. So for this particular alignment, just open up a notepad with a cut report on the material, on silt or loam, clay, broken rock, soft rock, unusable material, and the costs involved. Now if I open up destination, the fill, it tells me how much material is being used as fill, at what chainages, and the cost involved for fill